The art of confusing CTA buttons, making users doubt their actions. Call to action CTA buttons are crucial elements in user interfaces, guiding users towards desired actions. However, there is an art to creating CTA buttons that intentionally confuse users, making them doubt their actions. While this may seem counterintuitive, it can be a strategic approach to engage users, spark curiosity, and encourage exploration. In this video, we will explore the concept of confusing CTA buttons and provide examples of how they can be effectively implemented. Ambiguous language. One way to confuse users is by using ambiguous language in CTA buttons. Instead of providing clear instructions, use phrases that leave room for interpretation or multiple possible actions. This can pique users' curiosity and encourage them to explore further. Example: a CTA button that says "Discover the magic" instead of a straightforward "Learn more" can create a sense of intrigue and make users curious about what lies behind the button. Unconventional placement. Another technique is to place CTA buttons in unexpected or unconventional locations. By deviating from the typical placement, users may hesitate and question their next steps, leading to a more engaging experience. Example: instead of placing the CTA button at the bottom of a web page, try positioning it in the middle or even at the top, challenging users' expectations and prompting them to pause and consider their actions. Contradictory design. Confusing CTA buttons can also be achieved through contradictory design elements. Use contrasting colors, shapes, or typography that deviate from the overall visual language of the interface. This creates a visual disruption that makes users pause and question their intended actions. Example: a CTA button with a bold red color and a jagged, irregular shape amidst an interface dominated by soft pastel colors and clean lines can create a moment of hesitation for users. Interactive elements. Introducing interactive elements within CTA buttons can add an extra layer of confusion. Incorporate hover effects, animations, or hidden interactions that require users to explore and discover the true nature of the button. Example: a CTA button that appears as a static image but transforms into a dynamic element upon hover can surprise users and make them question their initial assumptions. Playful copywriting. Using playful and unconventional copywriting can also contribute to the confusion surrounding CTA buttons. Play with puns, wordplay, or unexpected phrases that deviate from the usual straightforward messaging. Example: a CTA button that says "Take the leap" instead of a traditional sign-up can create a moment of hesitation and intrigue for users. While the primary goal of CTA buttons is to guide users towards specific actions, intentionally confusing them can be a strategic approach to engage users and spark curiosity. By using ambiguous language, unconventional placement, contradictory design, interactive elements, and playful copywriting, we can create a more immersive and thought-provoking user experience. However, it is essential to strike a balance and ensure that the confusion does not frustrate or alienate users. The art of confusing CTA buttons lies in making users doubt their actions while still providing a clear path forward.